Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to set up payments on your Squarespace website so you could accept PayPal or Stripe, make sure that payments come in and that it is a smooth process. So to accept payments online, you'll need two things. Your website, that's where everything happens, the transactions and all of that, but you need a payment processor, and that's where Stripe and PayPal come into play. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is in the back end of your Squarespace website, let's hop into it now. Here I am on my demo website, and the first thing I'm gonna do is go to Commerce, and then scroll down here and go to Payments. So in here, you can see that you have three options, truly two, but there are three. For online payments, you have Stripe and PayPal. And then for point of sale, physical sales, you have Square. Awesome, great. Now, online payments, why would you connect either one or what should you do? Well, Stripe is the one that is gonna have the most leverage to give you everything you need with ease and simplicity. What I mean is, as you can see here, accepts all major credit cards, Apple Pay as well. So if someone's on their phone, they could do Apple Pay, which is great. And it also works with Afterpay and ClearPay. So that's really helpful. And Stripe is just really awesome. This connection makes it really easy to use all the benefits of Stripe on your Squarespace site. PayPal is nice for those people who like PayPal, who like that extra layer of security and they want to use that. So this is where you'll end up setting it up. But the first thing you're going to do is go to Stripe or PayPal to be able to set up the account. So you'll go to Stripe. This is what their homepage looks like right now. You'll hit sign in or start now, whichever one, and it's free and you just create an account. I'll show you this page here. This is their support page. This page walks you through everything. It's really hard to set up a demo, a fake one, because it needs to be a real business, but they're gonna ask you for some key information. You can see here, activate your account. They're gonna walk through a lot of different things for you that are really helpful. So the business address, EIN number, they're gonna wanna know about your business. After that, you're gonna have to get verified, which I think takes like a day or two. I'm not really sure how it works right now, but this is probably a longer part of the process. Once you get verified, you're good to go, and then you can start to manage your account. Once you have that, you go back to Squarespace, and then you hit connect. What it's gonna do is ask you to log in. Now, I'm already logged in, and so you could see here, it's showing me three different companies, and I could choose from any of them, and then just click on it, and then hit connect. Boom, and just like that, you hit connect, it's gonna do all this fancy API work, and now you are connected, and you could start accepting payments. And now you could see you get a bunch of options here to set up your Stripe account. Accept Afterpay, accept Apple Pay, all of that you can set up here, which is wonderful. Super easy to set up. And PayPal works the same way. Oh, quick note, you can see it says connected here, which is awesome. Manage will take you back to this menu here. So PayPal, same thing here. You click on it, you'll sign into your PayPal account, you'll connect it, you'll be good to go. Now, let's say you want to test the checkout process and just experience it for yourself. If you're new to this, you may not know what to expect or how many steps it is, and you want to understand it more. Well, down here on this page, there's this test mode. So you could click on this and then turn on test mode and then be able to check out. It gives you a fake credit card you could use, do the full thing, get the emails, everything, so you could test the process. When you're ready to go live, you just turn it off again, which currently for me, it is off, so I'm good to go, and you could start accepting real payments. Friends, if you got value from today's video, hit that like button. When you hit the like button, it tells me that you got value from today's content. It tells the YouTube algorithm some fancy, important, critical information, but it tells me you got value from today's content. Next, if you want more resources for your site on Squarespace, anything from SEO to blogging, check out the links below. We have so many resources on our website, and we're publishing new resources each and every month. So we have plugins, we have downloadables, we have free downloadables, we have blog posts, we have a ton of content, we have a ton of services, a ton of great things for you. Finally, if you want more content just like this, consider subscribing. We publish 3 new videos a week. My mind is blown that we're publishing 3 videos a week. It is a lot of content, but we're doing it for you. So 3 videos a week. If you want more, consider subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.